There are three types of audience that we target when we're experts, and most of us miss out on two out of the three. It's really important if you want to expand your audience to figure out what the other two are so that you can start to expand your offering and not just be targeting the people that you've always been comfortable with. Instead, it's time to up your game. Hi everyone, I'm Owen Fitzpatrick. I'm a psychologist that helps people to build their expert businesses. Whether you're a coach or consultant, trainer, teacher, therapist, whether you're an author or you're a speaker, either way, my job is really to help you to be able to build more effective expert businesses where you're creating lots of content, you're marketing, getting yourself out there, you're clear on your brand, and you're producing the kind of products and services and offerings that allow you to build and scale the highly profitable business. So, in this particular video, I wanted to talk about the three different types of audiences that typically we will communicate with. Most of us know it as, well, B2C and then B2B. B2C is business to consumer or business to customer, and then B2B is business to business. And then there's a third type, which is also B2C, but that's business to consultant. And this is really when your job is working with consultants or people that work immediately for businesses to be able to help them turn things around. And so, whenever we think about those three types of audiences, it's very important for us to begin to look at which ones are we targeting the most. For example, some of you might be consultants and you work directly with big businesses and you help those big businesses to be able to tackle a problem that they have. Some of you might be working with consultants and you're helping those consultants to be able to tackle a problem that they have in their liaisons or their meetings or their communication with various different big organizations. And then you've the consumer, where you're helping them to tackle some sort of challenge or problem that they might have in their life. And so, whichever your area of focus is, it's important to recognize that you can impact the other two audiences as well. You just have to think a bit more creatively about it. For instance, I work directly with consumers through some of my online programs where people who are interested in personal and professional development can come on board and can be part of my Change of Minds monthly program. Then I also work with consultants where the expert side of my business kicks in. And that's working with experts in various different areas to do a monthly mentorship with them. So it's an expert business mentorship that I also offer. So I work directly with them in that way. Also, a lot of the courses that I teach is for experts, therapists, trainers, coaches, to help them to be more effective at what it is that they do. But then also, a large part of my business is working directly with big organizations, helping them to sell more effectively, helping them to lead more effectively, helping them to communicate more effectively, helping them to perform more effectively, really going in there and teaching them all of the best insights from the field of psychology and neuroscience to allow them to be at their best more of the time and to increase their revenue and decrease their costs. And so I say that because whatever it is that you're an expert on, if you can think about your expertise and figure out how can you take what you do, let's say B2C, business to consumer, and how can you apply it to someone's small business and help them to improve their business skills, business to consultant, or how can you bring what you do with a consumer into the business world so that you're impacting big, large organizations. Maybe you can do like group coaching or group work with them. Or maybe you could bring, let's say, mindfulness sessions that you do, and you can create a corporate package. Or maybe if you're already delivering corporate training to big organizations, maybe you can find a way to create something for the everyday person on the street that's interested in that area. If you're teaching, for example, communication skills, maybe you can create a communication skills training, maybe on Udemy, which is a course platform where a lot of courses are sold for, very, very cheap prices. What I'm trying to say is it's a good idea to consider what are different things you can do to be able to improve how many audiences you reach. Because as important as it is to brand yourself very, very clearly and cleanly in one domain and one niche, it's also a good idea to be able to look at other ways you can add value to what is it that you do. This is me, Owen Fitzpatrick. I hope you found this useful. And let me know in the comments if anything that I've said really resonates. And I look forward to talking to you in the future. Oh, and if you'd like something nasty to say, don't say it at all. Why would you say anything nasty? It's rude, right? Rude's not good. So yeah. But if you've something nice to say, please do. Great, would love it. Anyway, take care, talk soon, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.